Hello, let me show you how to make this quick gift for Christmas. This is also an excellent project for beginners who have learned or are learning their basic stitches. I am using cotton yarn and I have this special one that I really like. It's a glittery acrylic yarn which I'm gonna use for the snowflakes alongside with my 3.5 millimeter hook. To make this tutorial short and sweet, I am going to add all the links in the description. The one for how I make the Kindle sleeve and the one for how I make the big snowflake. You will find these in the description. I'm also gonna add cards on the videos so you can click on them. Now let's quickly work these two medium and small snowflakes. Start with a slip knot and chain 4. Slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. Chain 3. This counts as a double crochet, and then work another double crochet in the ring. Chain 2 and work 2 double crochets in the ring. And chain 2 and work another 4 pairs of double crochet until the end of the row. After the last chain 2, to finish the round, you will need to slip stitch in the top of the 3rd chain from the start. And pull on the tail. Chain 5 and slip stitch back where you started. We are gonna make these chain 5s as the picots here. Chain 3 and slip stitch into the chain space. Then chain 5 again and slip stitch in the same space where you started. And then you repeat. Chain 3 and you slip stitch in the next chain space. And repeat until the end of the row. For the small snowflake, slip knot, chain 4, slip stitch to the first one to form the ring. And now we are gonna do the picots by themselves. So chain 5 and slip stitch back into the ring. Then chain 3 and slip stitch back into the ring. Repeat this 3 more times and then fasten off the yarn. And you should get this tiny snowflake. You can also make really tiny snowflakes by just chaining 2 and single crocheting 6 times in the first chain. This will form a circle, a small circle that you can use as a snowflake. Chain 6, pull yarn, slip stitch into that first stitch, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.